7 kinds of men women find sexually attractive. When it comes to attraction, women are drawn to certain traits and behaviors that signal confidence, strength, and emotional intelligence. It's not just about looks. There are certain types of men that women consistently find sexually attractive. In this video, we'll break down the 7 kinds of men that women find irresistible, and more importantly, how you can embody these traits to take your own game to the next level. 1. The confident leader. If you want to capture a woman's attention and hold it, confidence is non-negotiable. We're not talking about arrogance or being overbearing. Real confidence comes from self-assurance, knowing who you are, and not needing external validation. Women are naturally drawn to men who can take charge and lead, whether it's in a social setting or a relationship. Leadership doesn't mean bossing people around. It's about having a clear vision, taking initiative, and inspiring others to follow you. So, how do you embody this? Start by working on your self-esteem. Confidence comes from within, so focus on becoming someone you're proud of. Set goals, work towards them, and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. When you walk into a room, carry yourself with purpose. Make decisions with clarity, and don't be afraid to take the lead in situations, whether it's planning a date or simply choosing where to go for dinner. Women are attracted to men who know what they want and aren't afraid to go after it. Confidence is magnetic. 2. The passionate man. There's something incredibly attractive about a man who is deeply passionate, whether it's about his career, hobbies, or life in general. Women love a man with a sense of purpose and drive, someone who is fully engaged in what he does and radiates enthusiasm. Passion is contagious, and when a woman sees that you're genuinely excited about something, it creates an emotional and even physical connection. To embody this, find what truly excites you and pursue it relentlessly. Maybe it's your career, maybe it's a creative outlet, or maybe it's personal growth. Whatever it is, dive into it with intensity. When you talk about your passions, let that excitement show. Women are drawn to men who have a zest for life and aren't afraid to chase their dreams. Passion also signals ambition, which is another key trait that women find attractive. It shows that you're constantly evolving and striving for something greater. 3. The emotionally intelligent guy. In a world where emotional intelligence is often overlooked, being a man who understands his own emotions and can empathize with others is a huge turn-on for women. Emotional intelligence means being aware of your own feelings, knowing how to manage them, and being able to understand and respond to the emotions of others. Women are deeply connected to their emotions, and when they find a man who can connect on that level, the attraction becomes electric. How can you embody emotional intelligence? Start by improving your self-awareness. Take time to understand your own emotional triggers and reactions. Instead of brushing off your feelings or letting them control you, learn to process them in a healthy way. Communication is key. Be open and honest about how you feel and listen when she expresses her emotions. Empathy is a superpower here. Being able to put yourself in her shoes, understand her point of view, and respond with kindness and understanding will make you stand out from the crowd. Women want a man who makes them feel seen and heard. 4. The playful, fun-loving guy. Never underestimate the power of humor and playfulness. Women are naturally drawn to men who can make them laugh and feel good. A man with a playful attitude towards life, who can inject humor into everyday situations, creates an irresistible energy. This doesn't mean you have to be a stand-up comedian, but having a sense of humor and a light-hearted approach to life can take you a long way. To embody this, don't take yourself too seriously. Be willing to joke around, tease in a fun way, and create a playful dynamic in your interactions. This creates a sense of ease and comfort, making women feel more relaxed and open around you. A playful attitude also signals that you're confident enough to let loose and have fun, which is incredibly attractive. The key here is balance. Know when to be serious, but don't be afraid to lighten the mood when needed. Women love a man who can make them laugh and remind them that life doesn't always have to be so heavy. 5. The mysterious man. There's something about mystery that captivates women's attention. A man who doesn't reveal everything about himself right away, who keeps her guessing and intrigued, creates a sense of allure that can be almost addictive. Mystery isn't about playing mind games. It's about not laying all your cards on the table too soon. It's about having layers to your personality that she has to uncover over time. To embody the mysterious man, learn to hold back a little. Share enough to create a connection, but don't overshare every detail of your life right away. Let her be curious about you. Show different sides of your personality gradually, whether it's your intellect, your passions, or your deeper thoughts. This creates intrigue and makes her want to know more. It's also about being comfortable in silence. A mysterious man doesn't feel the need to fill every conversation with words. He's comfortable letting moments breathe and letting her wonder what's going on beneath the surface. 6. The protector. Women are biologically wired to be attracted to men who make them feel safe and protected. This doesn't just mean physically, it's also about emotional safety. A man who can make a woman feel secure, whether it's by being dependable, loyal, or supportive, will always stand out as highly attractive. When a woman feels protected, she feels free to be vulnerable, which deepens the connection and sparks stronger attraction. How can you embody the protector role? Start by being reliable. Keep your promises, show up when you say you will, and be someone she can count on. Be attentive to her needs, both physically and emotionally. This doesn't mean you have to be overbearing or controlling. It's about creating an environment where she feels secure. Protect her from negative situations, but also be her emotional rock when life gets tough. When a woman knows that you've got her back, her attraction to you will deepen in a way that goes beyond the physical. 7. The driven and ambitious man. Last but certainly not least, women are highly attracted to men with ambition. A man who is driven, has goals, and is constantly striving to better himself is incredibly appealing. Ambition signals that you're not content with mediocrity, that you're always looking to improve, grow, and achieve. Women want to be with someone who has a vision for their life and is actively working towards it. To embody ambition, it's important to set goals for yourself, both big and small. Know what you want out of life and make a plan to achieve it. This doesn't mean you have to have everything figured out, but having direction and purpose is key. Whether it's career goals, personal growth, or health and fitness, showing that you're working towards something greater is highly attractive. Women are drawn to men who are constantly evolving, and your ambition will signal that you're not just about talk, you're about action. So what's next for you? Discover how to get girls to chase you, or learn how to tell if she's sexually interested in you. Thanks for watching.